Hello, good afternoon all of you. I'm Shekhar Sharma again with you for class 6 mathematics chapter 7 decimal. Decimal numbers are used to express numbers between two whole numbers. The decimal points separate the whole number part from decimal part. The places on the right side of the decimal point are called tens, hundreds or thousands, or 1 upon 10, 1 upon 100 or 1 upon 1000. Now exercise 7.1, question 1, part A. Decimal form of 3 upon 10, it would be 0.3 or 0.3. Why decimal is here? We have 1 0 in 10, so decimal point will move to left side one digit. Another example is 2 upon 100, 0.02, 0.02. 5 hundreds. What is the mean of 5 hundreds? Again it is to be converted in decimal form. 5 hundreds means 5 upon 100 and it is 0.05. Now expanded form. Expanded form are in two types. First is fractional form. Fractional form 1 multiply 10 plus 2 multiply 1 plus 0. We have 0 here, so but we need no need to write anything. We have no need to write anything, but I am writing so you can understand. 1 upon 10 plus 1 multiply 1 upon 100 and plus 3 multiply 1 upon 1000. 1 multiply 10, 2 multiply 1. Now again we are going to remove this part and we are going to write only this one. Okay, now short form. For that we need to add them 0.3, 0.09, 0.008. 0.398. Okay, now exercise 7.2, question 2, ascending order. We have 4 numbers, ascending order we are to write. So smallest 1.5, 2.08, 3.902, 4.61. Convert into decimal 11.37. Convert into decimal by changing denominators to 10 or multiple of 10. So multiple of 10, 33 upon 50, it should be multiplied by 2. 52 is a 100, 0.66. By long division method, for that we have to convert it into improper fraction, 4 multiply 1 plus 1 upon 4, it is 5 upon 4. 5 is divided by 4, 4 1 ja 4, 1 is there. Now we have no digit to take it down, so we'll place decimal there and 0 is there. 4 2 is 8. Now again we need some more, we put 0 there. Now we have no need to put decimal again and again. Why it is? Because 5 is equal to 5.0000. How many zeros you need, you can use. Now exercise 7.3, addition of decimal numbers. For that we need to write the decimal numbers vertically. 2 points are there of the numbers. Nine plus 1 10, 1 carry, 3 9. Subtraction, for that again, now 8 has no decimal but it has decimal, as I have explained previously. 8 means 8.00 and 0.78. Now I will take carry. That is 1, it is now 10. 2 9 2 decimal, all the decimal must be up to down. Now simplify. There are both the signs are there, minus and plus, so we add first. 7.0 and 2.7, it is a plus sign, it is a plus sign. 9 upon 7. Now 9 upon 7 and 7 upon 3, subtraction, 4 and 2, that is the answer. Now the next question, what should be added to 4.475 to get 10? For that we are to subtract 4.475 from 10. 10 means 10.000, 4.475. Again carry, it is now 9, it is 0, it is 9, it is 9, it is 9, it is 10. 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 4 5, it is 0. Now last but not the least, Mr. Verma bought grocery items worth rupees 519.25 and fruit worth rupees 200.80. How much money did he spend? Solution. Mr. Verma bought grocery rupees 519.25, fruits rupees point up to down, total spend money rupees 5 plus 0 5, 2 plus 8 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 9 10, 2 plus 8 10, 10 0, 1 is carry, 9 plus 1 10, 0 is here, 1 is here, 1 1 2 and 7. Total money spent 720.05. Thank you. Have a nice day.